Hey guys, I made a map. Actually, just changed the map. I created a Dust 2. The Dust 2, almost the same way as it would be in the CS:GO, even with the car over here. You see, like boxes. It's very similar, and it looks good here, but in the game it doesn't look that good, and it's not. I want to improve it, but I want to show you how to actually export and import your your map. I mean, or something that you want to import, like objects or anything like that. So first of all, you have to open modding with your oops, sorry, it's wrong. You open your Brutal Strike launcher, and over here you can actually open the launcher itself. It will update, and it will have a button that will say something like over here, oh my goodness, level editor. You can actually open the weapon editor, it will be almost the same, but if you open any of this, it will show you no, it will show you this, yeah, and you can download the Unity as usually and stuff, and it will open you this. Oh my god, it's updating over here. So it will open you the editor. With this editor, you can open the whole folder, it will be downloaded from the Git. It will have modding tools over here, and it's all the folders from the modding tools. It will be different for you because I already created a couple of folders. So I created the Snow and the Snow 2, but because the Snow 1 didn't work correctly, so I created the Snow 2. And over here I created the scene. The scene I created differently. I actually opened the test. I wrote test, and you will see over here map test. So when you open map test, you oh sorry, I'm sick a little bit. So you open this map, and you can delete all of this stuff, but first you can save scene as, and you can write something, the Dust 2 or something. You can create a folder, and that folder name will be the name of your map. So you have to name your folder the way you want the map to be seen by other players. So after that you save it, and after that it will be with different name. So for example, I want to save thing as for example, folder Vlad test, and here we save a scene that is called Vlad test. It doesn't need to be the same name, but for example, and you can delete all of these clones and teleport, invisible wall, jump pad, teleport. This you don't need. Now mesh you will need. You leave now mesh, you leave spawn CT, spawn T, and house, for example, and stuff, and that's it. That's what you will need. And after that you create objects. For example, you can create a cube, and that's how it looks like. You can move it, you can change the shape, you can code it, you can add a script to this folder and stuff like that. So that's how I do it. But for example, I want to actually use now my scene, because that's how I almost created my scene. I also added different objects, but I will show you how in a second. So that's how you see my object. You see we have two bomb places, one over here, and you better actually make bounds very small, because it's only on Z and X, because it will be different. So I made it smaller just to experiment, because I actually didn't check it last time, but the area it was just for bounds for the bomb place was too big. So now we can add objects. So this is my map. I created one object and put all the other objects here. And now I want to actually insert, for example, music. So I'm not sure why, but over here I also feel like there is some object over here, but I don't know what it is and why, how I put it there. Like, do you see all these objects I just placed on different places, different objects, and yeah, I take your time, but I do not want to take your time, so I want to show you some stuff. So here is a Unity asset store, and you can actually find some pre-objects, like for example music player. I'm not sure if it exists as 3D object, as prop. Yeah, you see it exists, and some of them are free, and you can actually even press this button to show that it's free. So this is perfect actually to me. I just want to use it, so I just add it to my assets in the Unity asset store. You can just Google Unity asset store and that's it, and you will have to like register anyway for Unity to use it. So you can add it, you can use it and press open in Unity. That's it. It will be open over here as a package in a package manager, and you press, for example, import. It doesn't have to, it's just for looks to me, so it doesn't have to be like, doesn't need any scripts, for example, doesn't need any sound, so doesn't need anything, especially settings. It just doesn't need it because I just need what it's the wrong one. 1 second. No. Yeah, music box. Yeah, was it music box, jukebox, music player? Yeah, this one. I'm sorry, it was the wrong one. I pressed import too early. It didn't like switch it. So we don't need this. We just need this. Yeah. So we import it. And nice, it must be imported. So now we search for jukebox and prefab. Oh, here, look, doesn't look, it looks perfect. It's just so easy. Yeah, you don't even have to code anything, because usually you would code some stuff, but for example here we don't need any scripts. You can actually script it to play random music, like different stuff, but I don't think that it's necessary. So oopsie, wrong one over here. We just move it a little bit like this, and it goes a little bit here, like this. Yeah, perfect. A little bit in the snow because it's snowy. Okay, and now I just press over here, close the prefab, and I want to add a component, and it's audio. You need audio source here to play the music, and it would be played on a wake and will loop. So for audio clip, I will download stuff from YouTube source stuff. So I added it over here. It's a little bit loud. So what we will do, we will just move it over here, and it must be played in this area. Also we can use this and press Ctrl D and move it somewhere else. So for example, we wanted to play also somewhere, for example, I would say, I'm not sure, here, and we will lower volume to like 2 or something, and we will lower it over here too. It's not destroyable, so people might be angry, but this map is just to show it off anyway. So here we'll lower the sound, we have it imported, and now we just press build map. It may take like 5 or 10 minutes. So also I want to tell you that all the like codes that I made, or some people sent me, or people told me that I can give away, they are in the description below, or you also can check commentaries, because I will give some away in commentaries. And I also will make some new codes for my previous skins that I created before. So if you want to use them, or if you want to share them, they will be in the description below again. So here we go, it finished uploading for me, and now I can actually check if it works, and also I will check if it works my new skin. So I have a new skin for you, it's AVP, and I will show it to you in a second. So now you can load it from CS window, so from over here, load map from file, and press Death Snow if it's Death Snow, but to me it's Death Snow, it's the name of your map, and now it says map name Death Snow, as you see, classic. You can publish it at some point, but I will show you how in a little bit later. I open server settings and find over here that the start money I want it to be 10k. It's over here. So I immediately will check how my AWP looks like, or AP or AWP, or whatever you want to call it. But I hope that oh damn it, it's too loud and too far. It goes too far. Anyway, you can see, yeah, it gets louder if I come closer. Oh, I didn't place a collider, so you see over here we have a collider, and here we have a collider, and here we have a collider, but we don't have here. I cannot destroy it. That's a bad thing, that I cannot destroy it. And also both my bombs look like, see, oh damn, it's still big. I still cannot fix it, but I'm sure that the developer will show how to fix it. But it's still interesting because you can even place over here, and people will try to find it and will have a problem finding it because it will be more difficult to find. And it's, oh damn, my bots, they flying because like I played with stuff. You see, it happens sometimes because like I played with bot direction and how they look, where they go. Oh damn it, wait a second, I forgot to check the AVP. So that's how my AVP looks like. As you can see, it has like a candy over here, bar and like stars, and a little bit blue with things, and also it has my name over there, but like it's too far, so it's not visible. That's sad, but whatever. I will give away this codes. It will be in the description below for the skin. So to do it, you have to set icon, set count, and it will be in the description, as I said before. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's check how is. Oh, my knife is not here for some reason. How it happens. Anyway, to do it with a knife, you will have to go here, Vlad Blade, Lord, and let's check it on servers. So we have a lot of servers today. Let's check how many people play here. So we have 9 people play on zombie mod, but I want to play classic. This one is almost classic, as I understand. Zombie mode. Let's join classic and let's check. Oh damn it! Oh nice. So this is how the knife looks like. So I will give it away too, and the gun. The gun is here. Oh no! Oh, we cannot see it for some reason. It's not available. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed your time, and I hope you have one wonderful time all the time, and I will see you in the next video. You also can check out my cartoons that I made. I'll spend some time making it. Anyway, thank you for watching and bye.